What's the best way to see everything at Corning Museum of Glass quickly? Imagine walking into a world where art and science come together in shimmering displays. The Corning Museum of Glass in upstate New York is full of incredible sights, but how can you see it all without feeling rushed? The key is planning your visit smartly. First, set aside about 3 to 4 hours for your trip. This gives you enough time to enjoy the main exhibits and watch live demonstrations. Start your visit with the 35 centuries of glass galleries. These show the history of glassmaking from ancient times to today, giving you a solid background. Next, catch a hot glass demonstration early in your visit. These live shows happen frequently and are a must-see because they show glassblowing techniques right before your eyes. After that, head to the Contemporary Glass Gallery. It features modern glass art that is colorful and eye-catching, perfect for quick but impactful viewing. Then, explore the Innovation Galleries. These have interactive displays about how glass is made and used in technology. You can even watch flameworking demos here. If you have extra time, check out any special or temporary exhibits that might be open. To make your visit even more efficient, consider booking a make-your-own glass class ahead of time. These classes usually last about an hour and a half and let you create your own piece. If you want to see everything without rushing, use the museum map and daily schedule to plan your route. Guided tours are also available on weekends and can help you understand the main highlights quickly. The museum tickets are valid for 2 days, so if you want a relaxed pace, you can split your visit. Following this plan helps you see the best parts of the museum without backtracking. Remember, the Corning Museum of Glass is part of the Finger Lakes region, a beautiful area in upstate New York known for its lakes and scenic views. Visiting the museum is a great way to add a unique cultural experience to your upstate New York adventures. By planning ahead, you can enjoy everything the museum has to offer and make your trip memorable.